My video is about removing the online scam that is related to the site Severalsituations.click. Severalsituations.click is a deceptive website that periodically attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. This website tries to mislead people and to trick them into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. The site Severalsituations.click claims to be related to some well-known security program. However, it is not related to that program. Instead, there are some online hackers who stand behind these pop-ups, and they actually try to mislead you and to make you download and install such potentially unwanted software. Therefore, you shouldn't interact with all these deceptive pop-ups. Don't trust them, don't install anything that they promote. Such pop-ups may be the trace of some adware in your computer, so first thing we recommend you to do is to check the control panel and uninstall any programs that might be suspicious. If you find any items that you don't remember installing based on your own decision, uninstall them. I also recommend researching your system additionally with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and then begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.